So I'm Sabrina from ProSlat, and we're over at Barrett-Jackson 2026. It's been great so far. So of course we have our great cabinets on display. We're actually the manufacturer of the cabinets, and they're produced in North America, which is kind of unique for a lot of us in the garage space itself, despite there's a lot of Canadians, surprisingly. So we're a Canadian company, but we do have US locations across the US that we're just starting to open up for retail shopping. So it's been about 6 years that we decided to bring our manufacturing from overseas, just more in-home, more control over the process, the engineering and everything like that. We've been selling in the US probably for the last 12 years or so. The company is 16 years old. We are a Canadian company, so that's where we started, but we are national. We drop ship online. We sell through Costco, Home Depots, things like that for our slat wall product, but the cabinets, it's typically direct or through our dealer network or builders and things like that. Okay. Obviously, you have a nice big corner set up. It's a modular system, so you get to decide what you need and where you need it. So all of our manufacturing is all about efficiencies. That's where we're able to get a little bit more competitive in price point. So we do about 100 cabinets a day with 8 employees because it's all robotics. So we have some weld cells. It's super cool, the shop where I work. So let me show you our drawer slides. So normally on a cabinet, you're gonna see ball bearing drawer slides and things like that, but we decided to do a roller bearing. So it's really heavy duty. It's tested up to 1 million life cycles, but we give lifetime warranty. So it holds 400 pounds per drawer, which is pretty intense. Like, you need to have a collection of lead to get up anywhere close to 400 pounds in a drawer, but it's some heavy duty stuff. Lifetime warranty on the slides and hinges, which is the heart of your cabinet, right? Like, you can have the thickest gauge steel, but if your drawers can't hold up what you need it to, it's not worth anything. Speaking of that, we do 18 gauge steel, dual wall door. So whenever you open your cabinet doors, there's no wobble, like there's no bending to these doors. I think this set is about 100 pounds in just the doors. I would say our popular colors are probably like more like a black, a dark gray, the red. So those are standard in this line. We do up to 10 color options. So you could do your handles in a specific color. You could do like a two-way color system. You choose your door colors. And then we have 2 different looks in our cabinet series. One called Fusion, which is what we just saw. And then we have our Luxe, which is a little bit more of a high-end look. Think high-end kitchen handles, things like that. So this here would be our Luxe cabinet. So the biggest difference visually would be the 304 grade stainless steel handles. So it gives you a nice pull when you open your doors and your drawers. And then this setup features a nice big shop sink as well. So you get to choose if you just want doors or more drawers. We even do a 10 drawer that comes up to here. So if you don't have a lot of width, but you want a lot of tool storage, you could do a 10 drawer. So Costco, we sell a slat wall kit. Okay. The cabinets, it's mainly direct or through our dealer network. Okay. So because it's a lot of hands-on experience, right? People want to design, they want to be in control with what they're doing, the colorways and things like that. And sometimes just a photo on a website doesn't do it justice, right? So we even have an online design center where you can drag in, you design your set, you see your dimensions, and then we quote you from there. The fun thing with Luxe too is that the body is color matched to the doors. So over here it's black, so you don't really see the difference. Because on Fusion, the body is always black, but then you get to bling out your door color and your handle color. And then right on the other side, we have another Luxe in blue with a nice live edge countertop. So we could go take a look. So this is our Luxe, and as you can see, the body is color matched to the doors in that nice blue matte finish for a more kind of posh garage look rather than the sporty car garage. So everyone has different tastes, right? So it's just kind of 2 worlds speaking, you know, quality and everything like that. So
is there like a most popular accessory that you see people buy the most?
Honestly, it would be our charging shelf. So it's actually in this set where we have it on display. I'll show you. Apart from like the under cabinet lighting and that stuff. So this is our charging shelf. So there's power that integrates with a nice power bar, and then you have some hangers below for tool storage, things like that. So you can charge them all neatly, tuck it away, and it's not out on your countertop. So that would be one of our most popular outside of the slat wall backsplash and lighting. On ProSlat.com or .ca if you are in Canada. And like I said, we have a design center so you can virtually design your set, and we quote within 24, 48 hours.